Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good day to our beloved lecturer Dr. Arialdi bin Shahrial for this quality management subject. My name is NURULAINA NAJWA binti Razali with metric number A22BS0161, and now as you can see from the screen, we from Group 5 will be presenting about the improvement for Faculty of Management. Our Group 5 team members consist of 4 students, and the first one will be NURUL Hanna Rania binti Ali Akbar with metric number A22BS0184, and the second student will be FARAH ATIKAH binti Ali with metric number A22BS0022, and the third student will be AINAA SAFIAH binti Salji with metric number A22BS5003, and the last of the team members will be me myself, NURULAINA NAJWA binti Razali with metric number A22BS0161. Executive summary. This is basically about general overview for this project that consists of 4 main points that I would like to highlight. And the first main point will be the 5S methodology will be implemented in the Faculty of Management to create a safer, more organized and efficient work environment. The second main point is this project will be achieved through a comprehensive plan within the class of Quality Management SBSD 3113 from Section 3. And the third main point will be this project will be led by Dr. Arialdi, our beloved lecturer obviously. And the aim is to improve productivity, share best practice with the wider university community, and also maintain a sustainable 5S program. And the last one will be for the quality management project. Our class has been assigned by Dr. Arialdi to focus on implementing or creating this 5S concept around or inside the building of the Faculty of Management area. Moving on with this slide is about the purpose of implementing 5S in a proposal for the project in Faculty of Management. The purpose is to create a structured and organized environment that will lead to a better productivity and overall success of the project. The 5S is a lean management philosophy that focuses on the principle of sort, set in order, simplify or shine, standardize, and the last one will be sustain. By implementing the 5S principle in a Faculty of Management project proposal, we will be able to create a work environment that is conducive to success. That's all for the purpose, and now I will be passed to the next presenter to continue the presentation.
Hello, in this presentation, I will be introducing what we are doing in this project, which is to improve the system quality of Faculty of Management. So, higher education institutions play an important role in achieving the national education aim of creating a world-class education system. To guarantee that all teaching staff have responsible traits and a high level of professionalism in carrying out their various duties and obligations, a strong work ethic and quality must be practiced. Various quality improvement programs have been introduced, such as Total Quality Management and ISO 9000. The 5S program should be implemented as the initial quality program for faculty implementing ISO 9000. The faculty that is focused on enhancing student quality and happiness is extremely open to the 5S concepts. As a result, the faculty will guarantee that the 5S concept is practiced at every level of operational management implementation, from the lowest to the highest. The practice of 5S was introduced to University Technology Malaysia administrative employees early on to educate them on the significance of quality. Knowledge of the idea and concept of 5S as well as the degree of application will be the 2 key areas of attention. This program is held in University Technology Malaysia Faculty of Management. To be more precise, the program's research was done on students from the course of Quality Management, SBSD 3113, Section 3, Faculty of Management, UTM. Next, I will explain the objective of this project. The objective of this project is to assess the framework of 5S Quality Management for university ecosystems in order to attain a sustainable campus. There are 5 highlighted components in 5S which are set in order, shine, standardize, and maintain are the 5 basic components of 5S quality management. The 5S quality improvement approach is defined as a system that produces a workplace that is clean, simple, safe, and well organized in order to eliminate waste and enhance performance. It is intended to aid the creation of a high-quality school environment, both physically and emotionally. The 5S technique improves process efficiency and safety, minimizes waste, and prevents mistakes at faults. This project focuses on the application of 5S in the university environment, especially in faculty management, including the education system, financial management, people organization, energy saving operation, and building maintenance. At the same time, this research suggests evaluating Green 5S quality management in terms of its impact on environmental challenges. Next, the originality of this framework is that it informs academic institutions about standard operational procedures for establishing quality management that considers environmental concerns and efficient procedure for processes in university management. This methodology of 5S also intended to identify areas within the faculty that could benefit from implementing the 5S methodology. And arrows on stairs serve as a directional cue, helping people to understand the proper flow of foot traffic and to avoid collisions and accidents. They indicate the direction in which people should move either up or down and provide a clear visual cue to individuals in the vicinity. To educate faculty members and students on the benefits of 5S and how it will improve their work processes and overall productivity. Having clear instruction and signage in the classroom is important for a variety of reasons, including energy conservation, safety, consistency, clarity, and responsibility. To continuously monitor and improve the 5S implementation to ensure it remains effective and sustainable over time.
As part of our initiative to adopt the 5S program at the Faculty of Management, we will create many signages on faculty facilities, which will help our college community to apply the 5S program. Hence, we have numerous design concepts to include in this signage proposal. Aside from that, we chose this method as our project because we want to approach our academic community with the 5S, which is helpful for our daily life routines and also make it more disciplined. Here you will find the following signages. Because of the Faculty of Management in UTM implementing a poor level of achievement for 5S, we improve and apply the 5S concept to our faculty, particularly the stairs that everyone uses every day. We place the arrow every 3 steps so that students and lecturers know which side to go up and which side to go down. As they can be disciplined and follow the arrow to their destination, this strategy can safeguard everyone's safety, decrease waste, and boost productivity. There are 5 as elements for arrow, which is sort. We are sorting out the way to go up and down, set in order, placing the arrow for each 3 blocks of stairs to be more observability, simplify or shine, which is keep clean for stairs and classroom, making sure the arrow help everyone to sort which way to go up and down, standardize, we ask Pejabat Hartabina or PHB in UTM for the benchmark arrow at stairs, and sustain. Be disciplined to follow the arrow for more efficiency and avoid accidents or injury. The 5S concept applied in classroom. The 5S process begins with sorting, which involves discriminating between important and unneeded objects. Open shelf units, label containers, and designated storage places may help to create a clutter-free workstation with clear labeling for all important goods. The second step of the 5S is set in order, which includes restructuring processes and reducing waste. We believe that designing a workspace that facilitates optimal flow and minimizes unnecessary movement is important. Simplify and shine is the third stage, and it involves keeping a clean and ordered workstation. We believe it is critical to create a workspace that is simple to keep and clean by utilizing easy-to-clean surfaces, dedicated cleaning locations, and clearly defined cleaning and maintenance tasks. The fourth step is standardization, which involves creating a consistent and reliable workspace. We believe it is essential to establish a workspace that is uniform in terms of layout, equipment, and processes. This can be achieved by utilizing visual aids such as color coding and labeling, standardized work instructions, and common tools and equipment. The final phase is to sustain, which requires continuing the progress gained in the previous four steps. We feel it is important to develop a work environment that encourages continual maintenance and continuous improvement. This may be accomplished through frequent audits, continuing training, and a continuous improvement culture. Applying the 5S model can increase efficiency, improve safety, and reduce waste, ultimately leading to a greater profitability and success for organizations. Next is the poster design. These are the 8 things to do before leaving the classroom in order to sustain the 5S implementation.
Why implement 5S in Faculty of Management? There are many benefits associated with the implementation and continued use of 5S in faculty. In 5S, we have sort, identify necessary items and remove unnecessary ones, and use time management. Set in order, place things in such a way that they can be easily reached whenever they are needed. Shine, visual sweep of areas, eliminate dirt, dust, and scrap. Standardize, work to standards, maintain standards, and wear safety equipment. Sustain, make 5S strong in habit and can make problems appear and solve them. These are some of the top reasons why we choose to implement 5S. First, it prerequisite to build quality in the Faculty of Management. It also facilitates visual control for the faculty. And most importantly, it helps to identify waste mudah so that we can avoid any waste of quality time. 5S places high value on safety in faculty. It creates proper environment for standardized work, so everything in the faculty is standardized, making it easy for the students and employee. It also promotes employee and student satisfaction by doing this standard because it is much easier for them. By keeping the workplace organized and utilizing visual cues to get more consistent operational results, 5S aims to reduce waste while maximizing efficiency. These programs are often implemented by small teams that collaborate to improve operations access to materials and to promote operations with the least amount of time and resources spent. Having a clean, ordered workspace improves flow, increases productivity, and frequently enables employees to generate more work over time. How to implement 5S? 5S is a very cost-effective technique that can be adopted with little expense. We can examine the definitions of the terms say read, sort, say turn, say in order, say so, shine, say ketsu, standardize, and shitsuke, self-discipline. The 5S framework describes a strategy to reduce waste and boost productivity around faculty. It has become a tool for making long-lasting improvements of all sizes and can produce results quickly. There is a step before implementing 5S in faculty. The first one, get the highest management on board and inform them of the advantages of the system to have top-level management's complete approval and support. We already divided up the work in our class among the students to apply 5S, and we choose a reliable, committed staff and have the 5S experts to train them. By doing this, it can involve some of motivated people and no need to hire a specialist from another field to check on the implementation's progress afterwards. Next, the person in charge is responsible for teaching other students the basics of 5S around faculty. Each leader engages with the team in a group and establishes time and goals for them. In order to successfully integrate 5S, lecturer can encourage group members by giving examples and sharing their own experiences in 5S implementation.
5S should be explained to every employee to ensure its successful adoption. Since 5S is solely a behavioral methodology, implementing it only needs training and visual or organizational guidance like stickers, labels, and signs. Training the students and maintaining the appropriate checks and balances should be our top priorities as responsible students to ensure the successful use of 5S. These are 5 advantages that 5S systems can provide to our project. The first one, optimized organization. One of the 5 pillars of process improvement is optimized company, which involves in part reducing potential time loss in finding, figuring out how to use, and returning objects. Parts and tools are arranged according to the 5S concept so that they are simple to find and simple to use. The next one, efficiency. The 5S method encourages businesses to strengthen efforts to cut waste from the manufacturing process and to improve overall business performance. This is accomplished by raising the quality of the goods and services while cutting prices. The third one, greater storage density. Typical 5S implementation reduces the amount of space needed for current processes by a significant amount. By removing extraneous objects from the production facilities, the method creates space that may be used more efficiently. The next one, enhance morale. One of the key goals of the system is to make it normal to execute suitable procedures and discipline to prevent relapse. This technique increases the likelihood of avoiding workplaces that are gloomy, filthy, and unorganized, which can lead to poor employee confidence or spirits. The last one, increase safety. The term waste to be eliminated is used broadly and can refer to anything from carrying unnecessary inventory to the waste of unsafe situations, such as a box of supplies left in a busy area that could cause a student or employee to trip and get hurt.
The purpose of Aero Science in Faculty of Management, University Technology Malaysia. The 5S methodology is a lean manufacturing tool that is widely used to improve efficiency, productivity, and safety in various settings. While it was originally developed for use in manufacturing environments, the principle of 5S also can be applied to a variety of settings, including universities and academic institutions. One specific use of 5S in this context is the use of arrow to indicate the flow of people, materials, and also information. The first purpose of arrow sign is wayfinding. Arrow can be used to direct students, faculty, and staff to important locations and campus such as classroom, office, and also restrooms. This can help to reduce the confusion and also to improve the overall navigation. By providing a clear directions, universities can help to ensure that everyone is able to find their way around the campus easily and also efficiently. The second purpose is to designate the flow of traffic on campus. The flow of traffic on campus also includes pedestrian traffic as well as vehicle traffic such as in parking lots and bike lanes. By using arrow to designate the flow of traffic, universities can improve the safety by reducing the risk of accidents and ensuring that everyone is following the same traffic rules. This also can be especially very important on a busy campus where there are many people and vehicles moving around at the same time. And the third purpose of arrow sign in the Faculty of Management, University Technology Malaysia is to designate emergency routes and exits. For example, in the event of fire or any other emergency that is important, that people are able to exit the buildings quickly and safely. By using the area to indicate the emergency route and exits, university can help to ensure that everyone knows where to go and also where to do in the event of emergency. And the last but not least purpose that got on the list is to designate the specific location for equipment, supplies, and also materials. This can include everything from textbook and reference material to laboratory equipment and supplies. By using the area to designate this location, universities can help students, faculty and staff to find what they need quickly and efficiently, reducing waste and also can improving their productivity. Therefore, in conclusion, the use of arrow in the universities and academic institutions as part of the 5S methodology can help to improve organization, efficiency, safety, and also productivity, whether it is by providing wayfinding direction, designate traffic flows, indicating emergency routes, or designating specific location for equipment and supplies. Arrow can help to create a clear and organized environment that is conducive to learning and also working. As such, it is very important for universities and academic institutions to consider the use of arrow within the context of the 5S methodology as they seek to improve their operation and create a more effective.
Activities that have been done by Group 3 were calculating the total of the stairs and the size of the stairs at the faculty. It has been done by NURUL, Shakira, and Liana. They have counted how many steps there are and how many arrows should be put at the stairs. As you can see, the pictures shown here is the measuring activities at the faculty. They need to measure to ensure that the size of the arrow that has been designed fits perfectly to put at the stairs. After discussing with Dr. Arialdi about the final sizing of the arrows, they decided to put 6 arrows equally divided to which is 3 yellow and 3 green of each arrow at the stairs.
The following picture shows the example of the arrow that has been designed by us for the stairs at the Faculty of Management in University Technology Malaysia. The arrow have 2 different colors, which is yellow and green. Yellow arrow are made for direction towards downstairs and the green arrow are for direction towards upstairs. The size of the arrow is measured accordingly to fit the size of the stairs. The width of the arrow is 13 cm and the length is 14 cm, and it fits exactly for the stairs. Both arrows were made with bright color and was chosen so that the students and staff and lecturers can see the arrow easily. This arrow will be printed out as sticker and will be put at all faculty stairs. Each of the stairs has 3 arrows towards upstairs and 3 arrows towards downstairs, which the total will be 6. The faculty has 4 levels, so the total of the arrows that has been produced are 96, which is 48 for the front stairs near the office and also 48 for the back stairs near the convention hall. Yellow arrow towards downstairs will be put vertically at the right side of the stairs, and the green arrow towards upstairs will be put vertically at the left side of the stairs. The total budget to produce all the stickers are RM352 and were ordered at Al-Fatih Gemilang printing shop that near to the university. That's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter.
The flow of producing the arrow. There are 6 steps, and the first step will be to determine where I want to set out. Next, we will measure the dimension of the stair, and the third one will be to determine the exact size. After we got all the information that we want, we will create a proposal for PHB, and also we will wait the approval from the PHB. And the last step, which is the step 6, that I will say it verbally, we will starting to produce the arrow after we got the approval from the PHB. Moving on with this slide is the places and quotation to produce the arrow. Places. We pick Al-Fatih Printing and Trading after considerable deliberation to make the arrow just how we want. As compared to other printing company, Al-Fatih Printing and Trading offer the greatest price choice. Other than that, Al-Fatih also near our institution, and that can save time to find another printing company. They also made it very obvious about what information that we require to create the arrow. Quotation. The cost of making the arrow is calculated by Nur Ain Arnis and also Iqmal Hadi based on the discussion and negotiations with the employee of Al-Fatih Printing and Trading. The cost of one design with 50 pieces of arrow is Rm176, making the combined cost of two designs with 50 pieces of yellow and green arrow each Rm352. We confirm the order by making the payment as soon as we receive the pricing quotation. 1 day prior to the processing day, the submission of the arrow size and design is required. Without taking into account Saturday and Sunday, printing takes roughly 4 to 5 working days. That's all from me. Now, I will pass to the next presenter.
Lastly, what we can conclude in this project is that the 5S methodology is highly advantageous and effective in industrial organization after studying it. Also, we concluded that 5S might enhance industrial organizations' quality, productivity, and efficiency while also having a beneficial impact on overall performance. Using the 5S methodology, problems can be seen more clearly, safety can be improved, waste can be reduced, morale can be raised, a sense of ownership over one's workspace can be increased, productivity can be increased, quality can be improved, maintenance can be improved, lead times can be shortened, and students and staff will be more pleased. Fundamentally, a well-executed 5S program encourages a newfound feeling of order and discipline in the culture, which permits all activities. It was impractical to pursue improvement, conduct Kaizen exercises, and implement quality standard and assurance system under such circumstances. So, a project aims to detect, identify, and streamline the process. An infrastructure for ongoing process improvement is created using 5S Lean technologies, finding indicator observable changes on the production floor as well as a better working atmosphere and higher productivity. The method may be used for different industrial processes in addition to ones not related to parking lots and service procedures. That's all from us. Thank you so much.